Hello everyone, this is Liniha Jinsu. Welcome to my channel. It has been a while since I did a ghost stories, and I thought it would be really cool to start the ghost stories right in the middle of Hungry Ghost Festival. Well, if you do not know, Hungry Ghost Festival is a festival that is one of the biggest Chinese festivals related to ghosts. Hungry Ghosts. This year, it will be held on 18th October 2024. Well, this is the biggest festival because they believe the gates of hell are opened and all the hungry ghosts and their ancestors are here on this earth from hell. And most of the spirits that have not got their chance to have food, who were not prayed for by their families, or who died vengeful deaths, are lurking hungry and they're angry. So because the people who are alive, their ancestors don't get angry on them, they make sure to offer food and other offerings. This month's folklore starts way back, centuries and centuries back. You know how old China is. They say that there was this person called Mulian. Now he or she prayed or meditated and gained some powers. And when this person gains powers, this person starts looking for their dead parents, deceased parents. And that person comes to know that their parents are in a realm where the ghosts are hungry. Mulian offers food to their family, but they're unable to eat it. Now, this person is unable to understand what is actually happening. Well, this person goes to Buddha, and the Buddha tells them that, well, you are supposed to offer food to your deceased family and they will be able to eat it. And that time was the 7th month of the lunar calendar, and the date was 15th. Well, this is when Hungry Ghost Festival is held all around Asia, and they have food offerings, they burn incense sticks, joss papers, and there are other traditions that they take care of. And the entire thing behind is that the ghost should not get angry on them. Well, as Muslims, we have this another month called Safar. Safar has a similar belief, the way Chinese Hungry Ghost Festival has a belief that the gates of hell are opened and all the ghosts and our ancestors, everyone is on this earth for a month. Just like that, Safar is a month, and there are some superstitions, not in Islam though, and they believe that the spirits of the world, of the earth, go up in the sky, and the sky spirits come lurking down on the earth. And in this month, many people have observed how many bad things happen. Many people do not get married in this month, and we do have some situations where people did get married and eventually someone died or something bad happened. If they started a business in this month, I have seen them lose the entire money. Could be a superstition, of course, but this is what happens. There are some superstitions, and you are not supposed to do certain things in this month. Number one is hanging your clothes outside at night. They say the spirits get attached to it, and these spirits can actually get into your clothes and can give you your misfortune or wear your clothes, and somehow something bad is going to happen. You are not supposed to poke your chopsticks vertically on your food because it is an invitation for the ghosts to have your food. You're also not supposed to stand too close to the wall because walls have yet energy, and most of the ghosts actually are lurking or attached to the wall. So if we are attached to the wall or if we stand near the wall, it's like it's easier for them to latch onto us because it is an invitation for them to come and get us because they want to live in this world. They also tell you to not to take the last bus or train because they say that the ghosts are actually looking for people at whom they can get attached, they can get latched. Also, you're not supposed to wear any red or black color because they say it is an invitation for them and they can get latched to you easily. You're not supposed to go swimming as well. Guess why? Because the vengeful water spirits are actually going to come and take your life, or going to get latched onto you. So for your life, for your safety, no one swims during this month across Asia. Never ever leave your slippers facing towards the bed because it is an invitation to the ghosts to come and be with you. So be careful. Never ever take or touch the offerings beside the road. Never do that because the spirits can get latched onto you. Apart from that, you're also not supposed to roam around at night, take selfies, because selfies also have this thing, the camera has this thing where spirit gets captured there and it can bring bad luck to you. You're also not supposed to start anything or begin anything in this month, and you're not supposed to get married or do major changes because that can bring bad luck to you. There are other superstitions as well. And at Hungry Ghost Festival, they offer food and other stuff throughout that day. And it is considered that our world and the gates to hell are actually very close during this month. So it's very easy for spirits to latch onto us. So I'm going to tell you two such incidents that happened during Hungry Ghost Festival month, and that has given those people shivers and they still remember it to this day.